If you own a classic Volvo and your engine uses a tremendous amount of oil, this video is for you. This is my Volvo with B18 engine, one of the toughest four-cylinder engines ever built. Strong, simple, long-lasting, and yet this engine consumes oil like crazy. Today, I'll explain why a B18 can use too much oil, where that oil actually goes, and how to think about the problem logically, not emotionally. Patrick's Garage. First, let's clear up an important point. An engine can only lose oil in three basic ways. 1. By burning oil in the combustion chamber. 2. By leaking oil externally in a liquid form. And 3. By pushing oil, vapor or mist out through the crankcase ventilation system. That's it, no mystery. If oil is disappearing, it's happening through one or more of these paths. Let's start with the simplest one, external leaks. On a Volvo B18, common leak points are valve cover gasket, oil pan gasket, timing cover, oil filter, front and rear crankshaft seals. Oil leaks almost always leave evidence. Oil mixed with dirt collects around the leaking area. If the engine is oily on the outside, it's not burning oil, it's losing it. Before assuming internal engine wear, always start here. Now, here is something many people get wrong. To measure oil consumption correctly, fill the engine to the proper oil level. Drive several hundred miles. Then measure how much oil is needed to top it up again. But there is a catch. If you only drive short trips, start, stop, the engine may never fully warmed up. That allows water unburned fuel to dilute the oil. For a proper measurement, the engine must be driven long enough to reach normal operating temperature, so contamination can evaporate out of the oil. If oil is being burned inside the engine, there is a classic signal: blue smoke in the exhaust. That bluish haze means oil is entering the combustion chamber and burning along with fuel. On a B18, oil can enter the combustion chamber in two main ways: past the valve guides and valve stems, past the piston rings. Understanding which one is responsible matters. Let's start at the top of the engine. If the valve guides are worn, there is too much clearance around the valve stems. On every intake stroke, oil is down the guide and into the combustion chamber. A classic sign of worn valve guides. Heavy carbon buildup on the underside of the valves. Oil consumption that's worse after idling or engine braking. This usually means valve stem seals are no longer effective or the guides themselves are worn. On a high mileage B18, this is very common. Now let's go deeper. Literally, a very common cause of excessive oil consumption is piston rings failing to control oil. This happens when cylinder walls are worn, piston rings are worn, or piston rings are stuck in their grooves. Oil is splashed into the cylinder walls for lubrication. The oil control rings are supposed to scrap that oil back down. When they can't, oil goes up, past the rings and into the combustion chamber. That oil burns and disappears. Here is something many people don't consider. If engine bearings are worn, they can throw excessive amounts of oil onto the cylinder walls. That creates more oil than the piston rings can handle. Even good rings can be overwhelmed if oil pressure is high. Clearances are excessive. Too much oil is being thrown around internally. Some of that oil will inevitably reach the combustion chamber. Even in a healthy engine, oil consumption increases with engine speed. At high RPM, more oil is pumped. Oil temperature rises. Oil becomes thinner. Piston rings have less time to control oil. So if a B18 is driven hard at sustained speed, oil consumption will always go up. That's normal behavior, not a defect. The third oil loss path is the crankcase ventilation system. The B18 uses crankcase ventilation to relieve pressure inside the engine. If blow-by increases or the PCV system is poorly designed or worn, oil can be pushed out as mist or vapor, not liquid. That oil doesn't drip on the ground. It gets pulled into the intake and burned invisibly. So when a Volvo B18 uses a lot of oil, the cause is usually not one thing. It's a combination of engine wear, driving conditions, RPM, oil control limitations, and time. These engines were built to last, but they were also built in a different era with different expectations. A Volvo B18 can run a very long time, even while using oil. Oil consumption doesn't automatically mean the engine is finished. The key is understanding where the oil is going, why it's going there, and whether the consumption is acceptable for your use. That's classic engine ownership. Understanding the machine instead of fearing it. If you own a Volvo B18 or B20, write in the comments how much oil does your engine use.
I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.